Jai Swaminarayan. Now we are on the, I think we are on the 42th example. A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 5. Then A plus B is equal to. Now see here, A की कीमत हमें 4 लेनी है, B की 5 है ना. अब क्या करना है हमें? Addition. So 4 plus 5, 9. Okay. So 4x 4y are digest terms. 4x 4y. अब देखिए ये जो कोएफिशिएंट है ये हमें नहीं, ये नहीं देखना है, हमें क्या देखना है? दिस constants, numbers are the constant and we have to see the symbols. Okay, so symbols are variables. What we say, x and a, they are different, so they are the unlike terms. Okay, 3a plus 2a plus 4a plus b. Okay, now see here, like terms है वो पास में लीजिए. Actually already we have given here the like terms closely. Okay, 3a 2a close दिया है और 4b plus b close दिया है, so we have to just add only like terms. Okay, 3a plus 2a, what we get here? 5a. 4b plus b. Now here what only b means we have to write here 1b. 4 plus 1 we get 5b. Okay, so 5a plus 5b will be the answer. Okay. Next, if a is equal to 0, then 4 into a is equal to. Now here a's value is 0, so 4 is multiplied by 0. So everyone know if we multiply any number by 0, what will be the answer? It is 0. Okay, so let's start to revise the chapters. Okay, so let's start our first chapter, that is percentage. Okay, I just discuss with you. Okay, because we have already revised the chapters. Percentage means out of 100. Okay, so in exercise 9.1 we have shaded with the help of pencil the square grid in percentage. Okay, in 9.2 we have fraction are given and we have represented it in the form of percentage. Suppose 98 upon 100, so it is 98%. In example 12 to 18 the fractions are different, that means it is the denominator is not given 100. So what we have to do, we have to convert denominator into 100 by multiplying any number. So if we multiply, suppose I have taken 18th example, 3 upon 4, so it should be multiplied by 25. Okay, so 25 3s are 75, so it is 75%. Then 9.3, in 9.3 fractions are given and we have to convert it into percentage. For that same process, that means denominator should be converted into 100, so we have to multiply numerator and denominator by same number, so that we get 100. Now percentage is given and you have to convert into fraction. Suppose 70% means 70 upon 100, and if we simplify, then you can simplify by dividing any number. So here 70 upon 100 should be divisible by 10, so it is 7 upon 10. In exercise 9.5 the percentage is given and we have to convert it into decimal. Suppose I have taken 99%, so 99%, okay, in practice sheet we have taken, so let's see the 65%. Okay, 65% means 65 upon 100. Okay, so if we want to convert in decimal, so it is 0.65. Now in exercise 9.6 the given number is in decimal form and we have to convert it into percentage. Suppose we have taken here 0.48. Okay, so 0.48, first of all we have to write in fraction, that is 48 upon 100, and it is in fraction. Now convert it into percentage, and already denominator is 100, that means the percentage is 48%. Okay, now next topic is money metric measures. Uh, 9.6, 0.48 should be converted into 0.48 should be converted into 48 upon 100, that means 48%. Okay.